Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Crypto truly has been in the news a ton of late, and it's no big surprise, or so they for the most part thought. With the unpredictable idea of crypto costs, it's not difficult to become involved with the publicity fundamentally. A great many people are centered around the crypto market drifts just, however there really are truly various charming business arrangements in the crypto circle, or so they thought. Also, one of them by and large is loaning computerized money. That model in every practical sense, is carried out in abracadabra.money, an exceptionally secretive undertaking we'll examine today. We should get into it in an unpretentious manner. Anyway, priorities straight, what explicitly is abracadabra.money? Abracadabra.money, or abracadabra, is a creative loaning stage that offers clients a helpful method for getting to cash without having to sell their resources. In fact, the stage is controlled by blockchain innovation and offers straightforward, secure, and easy-to-understand loaning and getting administrations, which is very critical. Abracadabra permits clients to choose the terms for their advance, including their financing cost, credit span, and insurance necessities, which is very huge. The stage likewise gives a gamble the board framework to shield loan specialists from defaulting borrowers. Administration clients can fundamentally use their advanced resources as for the most part security to by and large acquire MIM, or Magic Internet Money, the task's stablecoin fixed to USD, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The MIM stablecoin can be traded for USD or some other digital money in every way that really matters, enormous way. MIM's ongoing coursing supply is over 2.78 billion tokens with a noteworthy market capitalization of $2.77 billion. Fixed to USD, MIM's genuinely current typical cost esteem most certainly is around 99 cents. Abracadabra's other local token for the most part is Spell, which really depends on the Ethereum blockchain and fills in as an administration token, or so they thought. An administration pretty token is a sort of cryptographic money token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the venture's bearing. Improvement choices, for instance, could for the most part be put to the vote among commonly token holders. The more tokens a genuinely individual or substance holds, the basically more weight their vote has, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Along these lines, administration tokens expect to decentralize power away from a little gathering of chiefs or engineers and give each and every individual who claims tokens a say in how the task advances. Essentially, administration, especially token holders, generally are partners. When was the Spell Certainly token sent off? The first by and large notice of Spell returns to 2021, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Who is behind the Spell token? The undertakings group truly is unknown, and no one truly realizes who sort of is behind really Spell in an unpretentious manner. Where sort of is the Spell token utilized, which generally is very critical. Spell generally is utilized in the abracadabra.money environment as an administration digital money and for expenses in a real sense procured from the convention, which generally is very critical. Is the Spell token a stablecoin? No, it's not. What is Spell's circling supply? Right now, Spell has a circling supply of north of 83 billion tokens. Incredibly. Is Spell a purchase? Many individuals are contemplating whether this moment is the opportunity to put resources into the Spell token. The symbolic cost explicitly has been very steady of late, however when the crypto market was especially flourishing lately, the Spell token saw a huge cost rise. Being a piece of an exceptionally dull, puzzling undertaking, the Spell token in a real sense conveyed some gamble yet might actually most certainly be a productive venture, which sort of is genuinely critical. Spell token price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Spell commonly token costs expected in 2022, the base expense of truly Spell token will be $0.002. The greatest level that the Spell cost can sort of reach is $0.002. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.002. Spell token price prediction 2023 in a genuinely significant manner. After the examination of the costs of Spell token in earlier years, It is accepted that in 2023, the really least cost of SPEL token will essentially be around $0.003. The especially greatest expected in a real sense SPEL cost might be around $0.003. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0.003 in 2023. SPEL sort of token price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of SPEL token, in 2024, for the most part SPEL is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $0.004 and $0.005, separately by and large. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.004. SPEL token price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of in a real sense SPEL kind of token and their vacillations during the earlier years. It truly is expected that in 2025, the base SPEL cost could drop to $0.006, while its greatest can generally reach $0.007. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0.006 in an unpretentious manner. SPEL in every practical sense, token price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of SPEL especially token by crypto specialists, the accompanying in every practical sense, most extreme and really least SPEL costs essentially are normal in 2026, $0.010 and $0.008, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. By and large, it will in a real sense be exchanged at $0.008 incredibly. SPEL token price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists generally are continually investigating the variances of SPEL token. In view of their forecasts, the assessed pretty normal basically SPEL cost will especially be around $0.012, which is genuinely critical. It could drop to at least $0.012. Yet it actually could reach $0.014 all through 2027, which is genuinely critical. SPEL fundamentally token price prediction 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready figures at the cost of in every way that really matters, SPEL token, which is genuinely huge. It for the most part is assessed that in a real sense SPEL will essentially be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0.018 and $0.021 in 2028, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Its fundamentally normal expense explicitly is normal at around $0.